Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan in galactic aqua mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline-4 engine and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch steel wheels. Some of your exterior features include a sport bumper and grille, a spoiler, and chrome exhaust for sporty styling in a convenient package. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this Corolla has to offer. Helping us into our Corolla SE, we have our key right here. So we have our lock, unlock, trunk latch, and panic buttons. We'll press the unlock button once, it'll unlock the driver's side door, and then twice we'll unlock all four. As you can see, we do have our indicator light on this mirror. We also have one on our passenger side as well. So we'll hop inside, and we can check out our door panel right here. So we have our window buttons, our lock and unlock, and then window locks as well. We have some storage space just on the door as well. And we have some nice blue styling on the seat right beside our adjusters right there. So we'll hop in. And if you can see on the left hand side here, we do have our mirror adjuster, and then we have our rain sensing windshield wipers as well. All right. Let's get this puppy going. Alright, so now that the beeping stopped, we're going to look at our instrument panel right here. In order to navigate through that, we're going to be pressing these buttons right here on this cluster. We're going to be looking through. It gives us all the information we might need. There we go. So on the steering wheel, our components on the left-hand side are our volume buttons. We have our channel selector, and then we also have our wireless, hands-free calling, and then we have voice recognition as well with our mode changer. And on the right-hand side, like I said, we have our display cluster right here, as well as we can change our trip at the bottom. Let us know how much we're doing. And then we have our dynamic radar cruise control and our lane departure alert as well, with our cruise button just behind the wheel. Behind the wheel, we also have paddle shifters to give us an extra set of sport functionality right there, to give us a true racing style. And that can be activated by pressing our sport mode or putting it in manual, either way. So just looking at our entertainment system, we can press our audio button, and that'll help us choose either AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, or auxiliary, depending on what our preferences are for that day. Looking at our setup, there's a bunch of different settings that we can change in this vehicle, from voice recognition to the sounds that display. And then for our car option, we can look at our driving history, about how heavy-footed we are, how far we go, depending on what we're doing. And just below that, we have our climate system. It's as easy as pressing these little paddles up and down. Very easy. And then we have our air conditioning. Then we have our defrost right here. So this will work for our mirrors as well. Just below this, we have our 12-volt DC outlet, and then we have our heated seats. Great for those winter months. And then we have our USB and auxiliary cable input, and we have some space for whatever we might need to put there. Our gear shift is nice and leather wrapped with a nice silver accent on the top. Like I said, we can pop it into manual mode if we want to do some real driving. And then we have our traction control and then sport mode to give us a little bit of a pep in our step, as we would say. Then we have our cup holders with some nice chrome accent right here with a removable insert. And then we have our center console. This is the large one. And then to get to the small one, it's just whether you press on the left side or the right side of the handle. That'll open up either way. And then in our glove box, we can pop whatever we need in there. Anything we need to keep out of sight, popping it inside there, keeping it safe and sound. And then we do have this nice blue detailing all along the cabin as well. It's a nice feature there. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So let's just take a look at the back of the Corolla SE. A few things to show you. We do have the rear defrost inlay in the window, And then just below the emblem, we do have our backup camera right here to give us an extra set of eyes. In order to hop in, all we'll do is hold our fob, and we have a nice carbon fiber look on our rim, on our bumper right there. So we'll look in the back of our trunk. We have lots of cargo space here, fit for anything you might need to pop inside. And then we have the 60/40 splitting seats as well, in case you need to throw anything larger in the back, maybe a set of skis, maybe a ladder, maybe your bike, something along those lines. Definitely lots of room. And then we do have our spare tire and any other sort of bits and pieces we might need to repair that. So we'll close our trunk and take a final look at the Corolla SE. Here we are taking a final look at your 2019 Toyota Corolla SE. Some other features include sport seats with colored accent and a piano black instrument panel to round out your fine details. But there's so much more I didn't get a chance to show you, so come on in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.